Hey folks, so I bought 3 more big boxes of vending machine toys, prizes, etc. Some neat stuff, so I'm going to unbox it for you here and show you what I picked up. Alright, here we go. Okay, let's open this one up and bear with me. I'm working with one hand here because one hand's on the camera. There we go. Don't want to cut what's inside. Okay, let's see here. Oop, there we go. All right. Okay, this is one case of mainly 1,400 or 14,000, something like that, Gremlin stickers. So yeah, I got a ton of Gremlin stickers, a whole whack of them. And we also got a bunch of homies again. So all these little homies figures. Not sure what series these are from. Some of them don't look familiar, so this might be a new, fresh batch, or a series that I haven't seen before. But that's cool. Got a couple big bags of them, including the homies clowns. So yeah, so that's cool. Anyway, okay, we'll go on to the next box. There's lots to go through, so. All right, this is a heavy one. So let's see what's in it. Get this cut open. Okay. All right, what do we got here? Peek in the box here. Okay, what do we got? This is interesting. We got some bracelets, some jewelry, some junk jewelry, bits and pieces, it says. Okay, so 80s jewelry. And what do we got here? This is, these are, we got some jewelry again, I guess. Looks like kind of, yeah, jewelry of some kind. Okay. Bracelets, made in India. Okay, different kinds of jewelry. That'll go in my junk jewelry lot. It's interesting. Alright. And we got more Pogs. So, okay, we're going to tip this over. Here, just give me a moment. Okay, now these are kind of a blast from the past, and if you have children watching, probably best to cover their eyes at the moment, alright? Because it's a bit of potential nudity, I suppose you could say. And they're called heads or tails coins. So we have heads, or we've got tails, sorry, right there, and heads right there. So these are novelty coins, probably from the 60s, I would think, or maybe 50s. Kind of neat. Kind of the stuff sold under the counter at diners and gas stations and that sort of stuff, and novelty shops. Kind of cool. They didn't have many of them, so that's all I've got right now. So I'll be selling them for about 10 or 15 a piece. Let me know if you're interested. Supply is obviously limited, so there you go. And let's see what else we got in the bottom here. Okay, we got hockey mugs, NHL hockey mugs. These sell for about $5 to $8 a piece on eBay, I've noticed, but I'll put them up as a lot probably and sell them fairly cheap. so somebody else can make the money. And I'll put them a lot on Etsy, more than likely. Okay. Oh yeah, these. Oh. Okay, these are. That's why these are so heavy. All right. Oh, we got an avalanche going, guys. Hang on. Ooh, disaster averted. All right. So what I got were some pew-pews, as they say on Facebook. Some die-cast toys, die-cast keychains, toy keychain guns. So yeah, kind of cool. All different types. Pistols, revolvers. We got another Beretta sort of thing. Derringers. So yeah, I've kind of got a neat variety. These are pirate pistols. These ones you can see in there. Sort of can't see in there. Here we go. We'll open her up here. So yeah, pirate pistols. So yeah, and then got a little bag of bugs as well. So that's pretty cool. Get a lot of neat things from this supplier. Thought these were cool. Bugs. So yeah, I got a whole ton of cool vending stuff. I'll put some pictures on at the end as well. It's just so you can get a close-up of what some of the stuff looks like. Okay, on to another box. Okay, here we go with the last box. What does it hold? And again, like I said, I'll put some photos on of a lot of the stuff at the end, so you can kind of see better what the stuff looks like. And go from there. Okay, oh, there's my invoice. More Duran. Then we got a bunch of Culture Club stuff as well. So we've got Culture Club. And then we got flies. You ever needed plastic flies? I got plastic flies galore. So yeah, there you go. Plastic flies and Culture Club stickers. And monster stuff. This is all kind of monster related stuff. Look at we got some teeth, some Dracula teeth. We got the skeleton hands that go in the pocket. We got fake ears, bugs of all kinds, fake teeth or fake lips, fake eyes, eyelashes, fake fingers. Kind of neat ones. Oh, there's a what do you call it? Manga figure? Not manga. I forget. Anyway, some figures in there. Kind of cool. So yeah, some neat stuff in that one. Oh, and then we got heavy metal. So we got other jewelry here. Just these are display cards that were in the machines. So we got a whack of them. Playful Pets. Emoji World. Okay. And NBA basketballs. Got one for that. Charmed necklaces. So we got all kinds of weird necklaces. Charmed again. Alright. Slime slices. Oh, just what you need. Slime slices. There we go. Yeah. And more slime slices. Got soda, bouncy slime soda cans, soda in cans, slime soda. Anyway, and iced. Got some bling there. Charmed again. Chopper chains. There's for the biker crowd, I guess. And lovables. Aren't those cute? Oh boy. And let's see. Well, we got win a prize every time. That's kind of more of a vintage one, isn't it? Funky. Digital watch there. Power putty. Okay. Got another slingshot animals. Some of the stuff that they sell in these machines is just kind of bizarre. Action light ups. Little LED thingies. And one more. The big squish. Okay. Collect them all. And then, last but not least, we got a ton more of the NHL cups. So yeah. So anyway, that's what I got, folks. Like I said, I'll put some photos at the end here so you can see what other stuff I got. Or what, some detail shots basically of what I got. You saw all the display cards, so I won't put them up, but we'll put close-ups of some of the other neat stuff. Alright, enjoy! Oh, hey guys, I was just reviewing my invoice, and yeah, most stuff I don't think cost me more than 15 cents a piece, with the exception of the header cards. They were $1 a piece, but everything else 15 cents a piece or less. So some stuff as low as 2 cents. The flies I think were 2 cents a piece. So yeah, cheap, great. I can sell stuff cheap that way. If you're interested in anything, let me know, and I'll forward you to wherever I'm selling it, and or deal with you direct, depending upon what it is. So yeah, the Gremlin stickers. I have 14,000 Gremlin stickers. Probably more than that because I think I have a few bags of them already as well. So yeah, 14,000. I don't shy away from buying bulk, folks. Nope. Anyway, enjoy the next photo array of all the close-ups.